Jericho Ponce, Mr. God Philippines, Atibala Rizal!
Dale Fisher, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Filipino Community of Australia!
Jay Manalo Rayos, your Mr. Grand Philippines, City of Batangas!
Tan Perez, Mr. Grand, Bulacan Province!
Mark Joseph Macalintal, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Caloocan City!
Carl Joseph Obueg, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Municipality of Casalias, Province of Zambales! Kim Sanya, Mr. Grand Philippines, Cebu!
Joe Marshall Dunuan, Mr. Grand Philippines, C.A.R. Cordillera Administrative Region!
John U.M. Capini, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Dasmariñas, Cavite! Jeffrey Aceron, your Mr. Grand Philippines, represent Filipino community from France.
Keith Antrellera, Mr. Grand Philippines, representing Holy Spirit, Quezon City!
Ken Lambert Garcia, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Infanta, Quezon!
Aaron Pagpas Reyes, Mr. Grand Philippines, Filipino Community of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia!
Aaron Paul Francisco, your Mr. Grand Philippines, City of Malolos, Bulacan!
Sandro Sales, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Mandaluyong City! John Christopher Lagos, your Mr. Grand Philippines, City of Manila!
Albert Daisho, Mr. Grand Philippines, from Marikina City. Luel Peter Senya, from the province of Pangasinan. Mark Sester Gerdan, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Bangil, Laguna! Marcus Shelo D. Santos, from the home of the champions, Pampanga!
Martin De Leon, Mr. Grand Philippines, Parañaque City!
John Denmark Tumelden, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Quezon City! Jonas Masungsong Harina came from the land of thousand colors. Mr. Grand Philippines, Quezon Province! Jake Lawrence Coronado, Mr. Grand Philippines, Rizal Laguna! Christian Geka, your Mr. Grand Philippines, San Pedro Laguna! Daniel Paulo Ilumba, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Silang Cavite! Cyrus Aaron Cortez, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Santa Rosa, Laguna!
Mark Tacadoronea, representing Tagaytay City. Ralph Stifler Rich, representing Mr. Grand Philippines, Taguig City!
Al J. Dado, Mr. Grand Philippines, Province of Zambales!